Well, hello everyone, this is Victoria Lowe, and you guessed it, I am back with another awesome tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make product label name tags. This goes on the bottom. This can go on the bottom of your lipsticks, your lip glosses, whatever product you have. It's just basically to distinguish the difference between the name of each product. So we're going to start off by visiting labelbythesheet.com, and we're going to click on blank sheets, and I'm looking for circle label sheets. As you guys see, you can get the standard white ones or you could get the photo gloss ones, but when you get the gloss ones, make sure you click inkjet. It's all about preference, but you are 90% of the time you're going to be using an inkjet printer, so you want to make sure you always click inkjet, and I'm going to be selecting round because I'm looking for something to go on the bottom of our lipstick or our lip gloss. And the round ones that I will be using are the 3/4 diameter round white label sheet, and it is the perfect size. I guess you can consider it a universal size for lipsticks and lip glosses alike, with a round top or a round bottom. And what I love about labels by the sheet is that they offer same day shipping. The shipping is really fast, and to get a one sheet costs 46 cents, starts at 46 cents, which is really awesome. Very inexpensive. Of course, you guys know you will have to order the sheets first before you can get started, but it's really fast, so it won't be a long turnover time, so that you can get your labels and begin to print them and put them on your products. I'm clicking template, and I'm going to be clicking Word because I find that it is easier to edit them in Microsoft Word. And I'm just going to load it up. And this right here is just basically instructions on how to assemble the labels. So I'm just going to click that and hit backspace, and I'm going to go to 8 in the size of the font, and I'm going to choose the font impact because I like the boldness of it, so that people could properly read what it is that I am read the names of our products. So as soon as I find impact, I'm going to click it. And I'm just going to type in the name of a product of one of my lipsticks. And I'm also going to type in the finish, because you may have one name, but you may have two finishes. You may have a gloss finish or a matte finish, or whatever the situation, a glitter finish. Just want to distinguish it. And what I did was, after I typed the name, I just clicked tab twice, and it will take me to the next column. Matte, Orlando Matte, and then I just simply click tab twice and start all over again. Click tab twice and then start your next line. I also want to mention, with these sheets, you guys, you do not have to do the whole entire sheet. If you're only sending out, let's say, a couple of orders, you can just basically start off from the line at which you peeled off. So if you started off on line 1 and line 1 is gone, and so is line 2, you can immediately double tab all the way down until you get to where you want to begin, if that makes any sense. And that will keep you from wasting sheets. You'll be able to just start off on another row, fresh row, without wasting the whole entire sheet. And I'm continuing to tab twice. That is the easiest way to type in our names. And I'm just looking at my order sheet so that I can get them shipped out, so that I know the name of the products that I'll be sending. And I'm going to tab twice again. So simple. And I know that on these, since they're 3/4 of a diameter, you'll only be able to type 2 lines. So don't go over 2 lines. Otherwise, it won't get on the circle. You can also abbreviate, you guys, if you have to. Or you can even go as small as a 5-point font, I believe. And I am getting ready to wrap this up and do my last one. So now I'm going to go to File, and I'm going to go down to Print. And once you click Print, when your printer is ready, you can get your printer ready by, of course, putting the USB in its port. And once your printer is ready, you would just simply select Print. And loading up your printer, same way we loaded our other labels, you just load it up with the label part facing up. And just like that, you have bottom labels. As simple as that. Now from here, all you have to do is just peel them off and stick them on the bottom of your product. And it makes it look so much more professional, so much easier for your customers to understand what it is they're getting, you know, and it's just such a good look for your company. As always, guys, I just want to thank you for all of your support, all of your love, and just coming by and just watching my channel and giving me your insights and your inputs and your testimonials and all of that good stuff. It really keeps me going. I just want to say thank you. If you're not already subscribed, please do subscribe for more and more awesome content. I will also be sure to list all of the websites and programs that I used on today in the description box below. Also, if you're interested in donating to my channel, you can do that in the description box below. Thank you so much to all the people who have donated. Also, I just want to thank you guys for being here, period. Just your support, your love, your comments, all of that, it definitely keeps me going. I said this over and over, and I'll say it a million times again. Thank you so much. And if you're not following me on Instagram already, you can do that at Very_Veelo. Thank you guys so much for watching. Good luck on your lipstick journey, cosmetic journey, whatever business that it is. And thank you. Bye-bye.